Friends, today we will see how we can apply a randomization on enum. So for that, I declared an enum inside a class that is red, and also I defined the value for every name: red 2, green 5, blue 6. You can define the value, or either you can leave it. Only write the name. And my enum name is color. And also I taken an integer type num. Both are declared in rand type. So we can apply the randomization on these two. And I written a constraint for the num should be inside 10 to 70. Here I uh, created a handle and object, and I repeating this uh, 20 times. And with display function I am displaying both the value, num value and enum name. If you will print with s, it will give the name. If you will print with d, it will give this value. We will see. Mm, so now I am running it. So you can see here it is randomizing the num, and here you can see in first line it is line num line, and the second is the our enum value, enum name: blue, violet, red, green, red. Like that it is randomizing. If you will do here 0d and again run it, you will get the 2, 5, 6, 4, like that, whatever is the enum value. So you can see this is the num and this is the enum value: 5, 6, 2. So this time you get uh, enum value rather than enum name. Thank you.